In 2014, Larry Ellison pledged more than $250 million of his Oracle shares to a syndicate of banks and borrowed billions of dollars against them, all without selling a thing. Because a loan is not income, he owed exactly zero in capital gains tax on the cash he pulled out. It's called a securities-backed line of credit, or SBLOC, and firms like Morgan Stanley quietly hand them to the ultra-wealthy at rates near prime while the pledged stock keeps compounding. New one drops every day, so subscribe so you don't miss it. On Wall Street, the playbook even has a name: buy, borrow, die. You buy appreciating assets, borrow against them tax-free for decades, and when you die your heirs inherit at a stepped-up basis that wipes the original gains off the books entirely. Comment below if you had